Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting geometry challenge. Today, we're exploring a fascinating puzzle involving a big square and four rectangles arranged exactly as shown in the picture. Our goal: find the mysterious angle labeled Y. By the end of this video, you'll easily and confidently know how to solve it. Grab your pencil and paper and let's dive right in. Remember, each rectangle corner is exactly 90 degrees. Between these rectangles, we're given angles: 75 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and 20 degrees. Our mission? Find the angle Y located right at the intersection between the green and yellow rectangles. All clear? Awesome. Let's jump in. Here comes the most powerful trick in our geometry toolkit today: the Zig-Zag Angle Rule. This rule is simple yet powerful. When two parallel lines are crossed by a diagonal, the sum of the angles on one side equals the sum of angles on the other side. So, let's clearly use it in our puzzle. Imagine drawing a clear horizontal red line exactly at the intersection between the blue and green rectangles. This line is parallel to the top of the square. Now, we have parallel lines, the top of our square and the red line, and the diagonal formed by rectangles. On the left side, we have just a rectangle corner of 90 degrees. On the right side, we have one given angle of 75 degrees, plus an unknown angle between the top of the blue rectangle and our new red line. By our zigzag rule, we clearly set up this easy equation: 75 degrees plus a equals 90 degrees. And solving that quickly gives a equals 15 degrees. Just like that, we've clearly found a crucial 15-degree angle between the blue rectangle and our red line. Step 3. Finding another angle. Easily. Now, let's carefully look at the intersection between the blue and green rectangles again. Notice we have four angles around that intersection: 40 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, and one unknown. Let's call it X. Since these four angles are around one point, they add up to 180 degrees. 40 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 15 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. We easily find our X next angle. X equals 180 degrees minus 145 degrees equals 35 degrees. Perfect. Another important angle, 35 degrees, clearly found. Step 4. Another Z-shape move. All right, let's continue clearly moving downward to the intersection of the green and yellow rectangles, where our unknown angle Y is located. Now, draw a new pink horizontal line at this intersection, parallel to our previous red line. Extend clear diagonal lines, orange lines, continuing downward along the rectangles, creating a clear Z shape with our pink line. Using the Z-shape angle rule, we first transfer our previous 35-degree angle to the intersection point between the pink line and these orange diagonal lines. Now that the 35-degree angle is transferred clearly onto the pink line, we can easily move it directly next to our unknown angle Y. Perfect. We've carefully and clearly set ourselves up to solve for angle Y in the next step. Step 5. Final step: solving for angle Y. Clearly. At the bottom intersection, we have a straight angle, which always measures 180 degrees. We already have two angles there clearly given. One is 90 degrees, rectangle corner, and the other is 20 degrees. So we simply subtract these angles from 180 degrees. 180 degrees dash 90 degrees dash 20 degrees equals 70 degrees. Now here's the exciting part. Let's finally solve for angle Y. Imagine a big Z shape formed clearly across the bottom of the square, diagonally through the rectangles, up to our pink line. Now let's carefully add angles clearly on each side. Left side, two rectangle corners, each 90 degrees, total 180 degrees. Right side, we have 35 degrees, next to Y, plus unknown angle, Y plus 60 degrees plus 70 degrees, angle opposite to 20 degrees. By the zigzag rule, again, we clearly set up 35 degrees plus Y plus 60 degrees plus 70 degrees equals 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Simplify easily. Y plus 165 degrees equals 180 degrees. And finally, solving for Y clearly gives Y equals 180 degrees minus 165 degrees equals 15 degrees. And there you have it. Our mystery angle Y is exactly 15 degrees. Great job! Let's quickly recap how we solved it clearly and easily. The zigzag rule, alternate interior angles, clearly transfers angles across parallel lines. Drawing clear, parallel horizontal lines simplifies the puzzle. Awesome work today! Geometry puzzles become easy and fun when we clearly understand the rules. If you enjoyed this step-by-step approach, hit that like button, subscribe for more geometry fun, and leave me a comment letting me know what puzzles you'd like me to solve next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep solving, and have fun with math.